I should make this bigger. Naam Sadhan Pranali Ki. What is the method of engaging in the sadhana of the holy name? Trunadapi Sunichena Tarorapi Sahishnuna Amanina Amanadena Kirtaniya Sada Harihi. One who thinks himself lower than the grass, who is more tolerant than a tree, who does not expect personal honor, yet is always prepared to give all respect to others, can very easily always chant the holy name of the Lord. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur's commentary. Sanmodana Bhashyam. Niraparadhena Harinama Kritam Vishaya Virakti Janita Dainyam Nirmatsarata Lankrita Daya Mithyabhimana Shunyata Sarvesham Yatha Yogya Sammanana Cha Etani Lakshanani. When a person engages in offenseless chanting of the holy name, he exhibits these characteristics: humility born out of detachment and renunciation of sense objects, compassion decorated with lack of jealousy, freedom from false egoism, appropriate honor to everyone. So these are certain features that are invariably present in one who chants the holy name without offenses. Tatra cha tatra Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Swarupa Shri Krishna Namavir Bhavat Tesham Shid Rasa Itara Virakti Bhavena Uktihi. Because the holy name of Shri Krishna, whose nature is Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, whose nature is to have a form of consciousness and rasa. Therefore, there is detachment from everything other than spiritual rasa. This statement is made on this basis. What is this? Ahame. Sa. No, there's a printing mistake. Aham Evanu Chaitanya Swarupa Shri Krishnadaso Jiva. I am a living entity, Jiva, a servant of Shri Krishna. And I am minute consciousness. We should move to the next page. Jadatmakeshu Vishayeshu na mama kutrachit artho vartate. I have no necessity for any of the material sense objects. Vartamana jada yantrita avastha Krishna bahirmukha doshena mamaiva durdasha. The current situation of being tormented by matter is my disturbed situation, and that is due to my fault of being averse to Krishna. Krishna kripaya yavat mama samsara nivrittir na bhavati. As long as my experience of material existence does not cease by Krishna's mercy, tavat, सुतरां युक्तवैराग्येन श्रीकृष्ण संबंध ज्ञानेन च जीवन यात्रा उपयोगी विषयोपि मया स्वीकर्तव्यः. Till then, through Yukta Vairagya and with knowledge of Shri Krishna Sambandha, relationship with Shri Krishna, I have to accept sense objects that are useful for my Jivana Yatra. Jivana Yatra means for my survival, for my subsistence. अभाव रोग शोक वार्धक्यादि जनित दुख प्राप्ति स्वास्थ्य बल विद्या इत्यादि जनित सुखम च सर्वं प्रारब्ध फलम अवश्यम मया भोक्तव्यम. The distress born out of my lack, my non-possession of things, distress, diseases, other forms of distress, old age, and so on, as well as happiness born from good health, strength, education, and so on. All of these are the results of my, all of these are my prarabdha karma phala. This is due to my prarabdha karma, karmic reactions which have already begun to manifest their results. Avashyam maya bhoktavyam, and I have to experience this. Chit swarupasya mama jada vishaye kinchidapi nasti iti vichintya sampurna dainyena aham grihe vane va. Ha Krishna, ha Gaurachandra, ha Prananatha, kada shuddha dasyam aham labheya iti vadantishthami. I am fully, my constitutional nature is spiritual. I have nothing to possess with amongst material sense objects. Considering this with absolute humility, at home or in the forest, I wait while saying, O Krishna, O Gaurachandra, O Lord of my life, when will I attain pure service unto you? What is this? Okay, just give me a minute. I should just use this. Oh, 1 minute. अस्तु तस्य जडवस्तुत्वं तथापि तृणस्य वस्तु अभिमानं न न्यायविरुद्धं, किन्तु विकृतस्वरूपस्य ममात्र वस्तु अभिमानं न सुन्दरमिति तृणादपि मम सुनिश्चित्वं वास्तवम्. Okay, let okay. All right. A blade of grass is a material object, but its pride in being something does not contradict, is not inappropriate, But for me, whose constitutional nature has become perverted, my uh, self-pride is not beautiful. Iti tanadapi mama sunichatvam vastavam. Therefore, it is a fact that I am more lower than even a blade of grass. Tarorapi sahishnuna iti vakyena taruhu sanchedakasya api chaya phala danena upakaroti. By the statement, tarorapi sahishnuna, more tolerant than a tree. It is pointed out that a tree benefits even that person who cuts that tree by giving shade, by giving its fruits. Krishna bhaktastu tad apeksha uccha pravritya dayaya sarvan shatru mitran upakaroti iti suchitam. On the other hand, a devotee of Lord Krishna engages in an activity which is superior to that. With his compassion, he benefits enemies, friends, and everyone. Anena harinama kritam nirmatsarata alankrita dayarupa dvitiya lakshanam bhavati. So in this way, this is the second characteristic of due to the holy name of Lord Hari. This is compassion, which is decorated with lack of jealousy. Niraparadhin namagana parasya uktihi. Ha natha ete mat sangino jivaha katham bhavan namne ratim labhante te sarve mayandha santaha putra kalatra dravina jaya parajaya sambandha janita sukha dukha rupa dvandva kataraha. The one who is singing the holy name without offenses, he says the following: O Lord, these living entities that I'm associating with, how can they attain an attraction towards your holy name? All of them are blinded by Maya. They are Katara. What is Katara in English? Huh? Agitated? Let me see how it is rendered here. They are sucked down in the quagmire. Let me think of an easier expression. They are agitated by the dualities of happiness and distress because of their sons, wives, wealth, victory, defeat. Tesham anarthapurne jadavishaye viraktir na bhavati. They do not attain any detachment from material sense objects, which are actually filled with calamities. Asha pasha baddhaste tuchani dukkha udarkani karma phalani nirbheda jnana phalani va anveshayanti. Bound by the noose of hopes, they search for the results of karma, which bring about distress and which are insignificant, or they search for the results of impersonalistic knowledge. Katham mesham atmayathatma darshana ruchir jayate. How can these people attain a taste for self-realization impersonal, the process of impersonal knowledge, cultivation of impersonal knowledge is not considered to be full-fledged, the pathway of full-fledged self-realization. Evam Bruvan, sopi Harer Nama eva kevalam khalo nastyeva gatir anyatha iti uchchaiswarena gayati. While saying all this, he then loudly sings. This very same person, he also sings this. Other than Lord Hari's name, Lord Hari's name, Lord Hari's name. In the age of Kali, there is no other way, no other way, no other way. Amanena shabdena asya mithyavimana shunyata rupa tritiya lakshanam nirdishtam. The word amanina indicates the third characteristic in the form of a lack of false conceit, false pride. Baddha jivanam sthula linga deha dvaya sambandha yogaishwarya bhogaishwarya dhana rupa jati varna bala pratishtha adhikara ityadi janitam yadabhimanam tan mithya jiva swarupa virodha dharmatvat. Tan mithya jiva swarupa virodha dharmatvat. The pride that the jivas have in relation to their gross body or subtle body, the pride that they have due to yoga ishwarya, the opulence of mystic powers, bhoga ishwarya, the opulence of material enjoyment, dhana, wealth, rupa, beauty, jati, birth in a noble family, varna, birth in higher varna, bala, strength, pratishtha, being in a prestigious position, adhikara, being in an officiating position with authority, and so on. So this, the pride that the jivas have for these, that is false, because its nature is the opposite of the nature of the living entity. Tat tat abhimana shunyata, mithya abhimana shunyata. To be freed from pride for these is what is freedom from false pride. Evam bhuta mithya abhimana shunyena sarvada satyapi tat tat abhimana hetau shanti guna bhushitena harinama kirtaniyam. So devoid of such false pride, at all times, even when there is a reason to have such pride, one should utter the holy name of Lord Hari while being decorated with the quality of tolerance. Grihe tishthan brahmanatvad ahankara shunyo vane tishthan vairagya linga ahankara shunyascha krishnaikachittaha bhaktaha krishna nama kirtayati. While staying at home without possessing ahankara or false ego of being a brahmana and so on, or while staying in the forest without having the false ego of possessing the various characteristics of renunciation, the devotee whose mind is exclusively fixed on Krishna, he utters Krishna's holy name. Manada shabdena yathayogyam sarvesham manadattvam tasya chatursa lakshanam. Manada, amanina, manadena. Manadena comes from manada. So the word manada refers to The fourth characteristic lakshana means identifiable characteristics. So the fourth characteristic refers to giving respect to all as appropriate. This is a very interesting statement. One should be respectful to all, but at the same time, it should be as appropriate. Yogyam, and at the same time, sarvesham. We sometimes come across, in fact, many times we come across the attitude that we should respect everyone, but they forget that you should respect everyone as appropriate. As appropriate means there are different levels of respect, and everybody should be given respect according to what they deserve. On the other hand, we come across those who say we should respect everyone according to what they deserve, but they don't respect everyone in this manner. So here, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says we should respect everyone. It's one criteria, but we should also respect everyone according to the level of respect that they deserve. Sarvan Jivan Krishnadasan Gyatva Kamapi na dvishyati pratidvishyati va. Knowing that all living entities are Krishna's servants, he does not hate anyone, nor does he pratidvesh, nor does he retaliate. So he doesn't initiate any violence towards anyone, nor does he retaliate with counter violence. Mathura Vakyena Jagan Mangala Karyena cha Tan Sarvan Toshayati. By speaking sweet words and by engaging in activities that bring about auspiciousness for the entire world, he satisfies them. Vishve ye adhikara prapta brahmanadayaha ye cha divi brahma rudradi devadayaha tan sarvam dainyena bahumanayati. He greatly honors with humility everyone who have attained an authoritative position in the world, in this world of human beings, such as a genuine Brahmana, and devas, such as Brahma, Rudra, in the heavenly planets. Tebhyaha haribhaktim prarthayate cha. He prays to them to grant him haribhakti. Ye tu shuddha bhakta tan sarvabhavena sevate. He serves in every manner those who are pure devotees. This will come across these different levels of respect when we go through an essay called Vaishnav Ninda. It's one of the modules we have for Namashraya Bhakti. Anena Lakshana Chatushayena Bhushitasya Krishnanama Kirtanameva Parama Purushartha Sadhanam Bhavati iti Shriman Mahaprabhu Padena Upadishtam. So the person who is decorated by these four characteristics, when he engages in the Kirtana of Krishna's holy name, then that Kirtana becomes the means to attain the highest Purushartha. This has been instructed by the revered Shriman Mahaprabhu. Giti, song. श्री कृष्ण कीर्तने जदि मानस तोहार परम जतने तही लभ अधिकार. If your mind is always absorbed, no, if your mind is set upon engaging in Sri Krishna Kirtan, then with great effort you must attain the eligibility for it. तृणाधिक हीन दीन अकिंचन छार आपने मानवी सदा छाड़ी अहंकार. You should uh, you should consider yourself lower than a blade of grass, and consider yourself worthless, destitute, lowly, and you should always give up ahankar, false pride, false ego. वृक्ष सम क्षमा गुण करो भी साधन प्रतिहिंसा त्याजी अन्य करो भी पालन. You must practice, you must cultivate the quality of forgiveness like that of a tree, and you should not retaliate towards others. Rather, you should maintain them. जीवन निर्वाहे आने उद्वेग ना दिबे पर उपकारे निज सुख पासरिबे. In the course of passing your life while maintaining yourself, you should never give anxiety to others, but rather do good to them while forgetting about your own happiness. कोइलेयो सर्वगुणे गुणी महाशय प्रतिष्ठाशा छाड़ी करो असानी हृदय. Even if you have become a great soul with good qualities, indeed filled with all good qualities, you should abandon all desires for fame. Omani hridaya, actually, not asani, Omani hridaya. And your heart should not hanker for respect. कृष्ण अधिष्ठान सर्व जीवे जानी सदा करबी समान सबे आदरे सर्वदा. Understanding, knowing that Lord Krishna resides within all living creatures, you should offer respect to all with care at all times. दैन्य दया अन्यमान प्रतिष्ठा वर्जन चारि गुणे गुणी होय करह कीर्तन. Become endowed with these four qualities: humility, compassion, respect towards others, and renunciation of desires for prestige. And then engage in kirtan. भक्ति विनोद कांदी बोले प्रभु पाए है न अधिकार कबे दिबे हे अमाय. Weeping, Bhakti Vinod submits his prayer at the lotus feet of the Lord. When will you give me the eligibility for possessing? When will you give me this kind of eligibility? Chaitanya Charitamrita. Whatever, it's frozen. Okay. उत्तम हैया अपना के माने तृणाधाम दुई प्रकारे सहिष्णुता करे वृक्षसम. These are the symptoms of one who chants the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Although he is very exalted, he thinks himself lower than the grass on the ground, and like a tree, he tolerates everything in two ways. Although he is very much exalted, he thinks himself to be lower than a blade of the grass on the ground. And he he is tolerant like the tree in two ways. वृक्ष जैनो काटिले हो किशुना बोलोए शुकाया मोहिले हो कारे पानी ना मागोए. Pani. This is Chaitanya Charitamrita is a mixture of Bengali and sometimes he brings in Vrajbhasha.
Sometimes
Bengali also has Pani. When a tree is cut down, it does not protest. And even when drying up, it does not ask anyone for water. Just as when a tree is cut, it does not say anything. And even if it is dying while drying up, it does not ask anyone for water. जय जय मागये तारे दे आपन धन घर्म वृष्टि सहे आने करये रक्षण. The tree delivers its fruits, flowers, and whatever else it possesses to anyone and everyone. It tolerates scorching heat and torrents of rain, yet it still gives shelter to others. If anyone asks anything from the tree, then it gives him its own wealth. It tolerates the scorching heat of the sun and torrents of rain and gives protection to others. उत्तम होइया वैष्णव होबे निरभिमान जीवे समान दिवे जानी कृष्ण अधिष्ठान. Although a Vaishnava is the most exalted person, he is prideless and gives all respect to everyone, knowing everyone to be the resting place of Krishna. Although very much exalted, a devotee should be without pride. He should give respect to all living entities, knowing that they are the resting places of Krishna. Hey mata loya jai Krishna naam loy, Shri Krishna charane tar prem upajoy. If one chants the holy name of Lord Krishna in this manner, he will certainly awaken his dormant love for Krishna's lotus feet. Anyone who becomes like this and chants the holy name of Krishna will awaken his love for Krishna. His love for the lotus feet of Lord Krishna will awaken. It's very clear that both Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they are teaching us that we should hanker to attain sadhana siddhi. Pray to Lord Krishna for Ahaitukhi Kripa for sadhana siddhi. Jeev Swarupata, this is Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur's Vivriti, his explanation. Jeev Swarupataha Krishnadas Buliya Taha Iha Jagate O Swadhame Avasthan Kale Nityakal Hari Kirtani Dharma. Because the living entity is constitutionally a servant of Krishna, both while residing in this world or in his own abode, it is his duty at all points in time to execute Hari Kirtan. Hari Kirtane Tulya Swartha Siddhi O Paropakar Anya Kona Upay Ba Upayer Modhye Vartaman Nai. There is no there is no perfection, there's no attainment of self-perfection equal to Hari Kirtan. And no welfare work or means or goals are equal to Hari Kirtan. Kirtan द्वारा परार्थ परता एवं निजेर सर्व शुभोदय है. Through such Kirtan, selflessness and the rising of through Kirtan, one's selflessness and all auspicious qualities awaken. जे रूपे श्री नाम ग्रहण करिले नामापराध হয় না, নামাভাস হয় না, তাহা জানাইবার জন্যই ত্রিনাদাপি শ্লোকের অবতারণা. This Trinadapi Shlok has been introduced in order to inform us of that kind of chanting of the holy name, by chanting which one does not engage in Namaparad chanting, one does not engage in Namabhas chanting. Jahar Chittir Pravritti কৃষ্ণমুখী না হইয়া বিষয় ভোগে প্রমত্ত হয়, তিনি কখনোই নিজের ক্ষুদ্রতা উপলব্ধি করিতে পারেন না. The one whose mind, the one whose chitte pravritti, the one whose mental activities are not inclined towards Krishna, and therefore it is mad for sense enjoyment. For such a person, at no point in time will he be able to realize his insignificance. Bhoktar dharme shudratar upalabdhi nai. Because in the nature of an enjoyer, there is no experience of insignificance. There is no realization of insignificance. Bhoktar dharme sahanshilata noi. And in the nature of being an enjoyer, there is no tolerance. Bhokta kokhono jada abhiman or jada pratishtha tyag korite samartha nahe. An enjoyer is never capable of giving up his material pride and his desire for material prestige. विषय भोगी कखनो अपर विषयी के प्रतिष्ठा दीते सम्मत नहे. A sense enjoyer never. Wait a minute, somewhere here. A sense enjoyer never agrees to award prestige to another sense enjoyer. Vishay bhogi samatsar are naam bhajan anandi vaishnavi trina apeksha sunich vriksha apeksha sahya guna sampanna निज प्रतिष्ठा समूहे उदासीन एवं पर के प्रतिष्ठा दाने उद्ग्रीव. Nice. The sense enjoyer, he is jealous, and the Vaishnava who delights in Nam Bhajan, in service to the holy name, and it is the Vaishnava who delights in Nam Bhajan, service to the holy name, who is more humbler than a blade of grass, who is endowed with the quality of tolerance, more tolerance than that of a tree, who is indifferent to his prestigious conditions, and who is eager to award prestige to others. इह जगते तिनी सर्वदा हरिनाम करिबार योग्य ओ समर्थ. In this world, he alone is eligible and capable to constantly chant the holy name of Lord Hari. Shri Shuddha Vaishnavgण निज निज आचार्य श्री गुरुदेव ओ অপর বৈষ্ণবকে যে সকল সম্মান সূচক প্রতিষ্ঠার আরোপ করেন তাহা তাহাদের মানদ ধর্ম হইতেই উত্থিত হয়। The sacred pure devotees, they offer great respect to their respective acharyas, their respective spiritual masters, and to other Vaishnavas. They hold them in they pratishtha. What is the right word for pratishtha? The one who holds them in great prestige by giving them respect. Taha tader manad dharma hoite uthito hoy. That is because of their quality of giving respect to others. আবার তাহাদের অনুগত জনের ভজনে উৎসাহ প্রদান করিবার জন্য যে সকল সমাদর ও গৌরব স্নেহাদি অভিব্যক্ত করেন উহা শুদ্ধ ভক্তের অমানি স্বভাবের প্রকাশ মাত্র। And in order to make their followers enthusiastic to engage in bhajana kriya, when they manifest respect towards all of them, honor, affection, and so on, that is simply a manifestation of the amanina, the feature of the pure devotee to not hanker for respect towards anyone. So the idea is that pure Vaishnavas, they respect their spiritual masters and other Vaishnavas, but they also, in order to make others, their own followers enthusiastic, they also offer respect to their followers, all of them, and so on. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur himself would say, Dasosmi. And his disciples would offer obeisance unto him. He himself would say, Dasosmi. I am your servant. शुद्ध भक्त तादृशी गौरवात्मक प्रतिष्ठा के जड़ प्रतिष्ठा ना जानिया मूर्खेर कटाक्ष सज्ज करियाओ निज सहनशीलतार परिचय देन। The pure devotees do not consider such respectful prestige to be material prestige, and they tolerate the criticisms of fools, and in that way they inform others about their tolerance. नामोच्चारणकारी शुद्ध भक्त आपनाके प्राकृत जगते सर्व प्राणी पद दलित तृण होइतेयो निम्न भागे अवस्थित धारणा करें। The one who utters the holy name, the pure devotee, he considers himself to be situated at a position lower than that of the grass which is trodden upon by the feet of all creatures in this material world. শুদ্ধ ভক্ত আপনাকে কখনো বৈষ্ণব বা গুরু জ্ঞান করেন না, তিনি আপনাকে জগতের শিষ্য ও সর্ব অপেক্ষা হীন জানেন। A pure devotee never considers himself to be a Vaishnava or a guru. He considers himself to be the shishya, a disciple of the entire world, and lower than everyone. प्रत्येक परमाणु एवं प्रत्येक अनुचित जीव कृष्णेर अधिष्ठान जानिया कोनो वस्तु के निज अपेक्षा क्षुद्र ज्ञान करें ना। Knowing that every atom and every living entity who is minute in consciousness, is a residence of Lord Krishna. It's a resting place of Lord Krishna. He does not consider any entity to be more, to be lower than him, to be pettier than him. Namocharanकारी जगते काहारो निकट किचुरे प्रार्थी नहे. The one who utters a holy name, he does not pray from anyone for anything. Opare tahar hingsha korile, tini kokhono pratihingsha koren na. When anyone injures him, he does not retaliate back with counter injury. Parantu hingsakarit Mongol prarthana kare. On the other hand, he prays for the auspiciousness of the one who has injured him. कीर्तनकारी कथनो श्री गुरुदेव प्राप्त प्रणाली परिहार पूर्वक नवीन मत प्रचार वासनाएं महामंत्र श्री हरिनामेर परिवर्ते काल्पनिक नाम लइया छड़ा सृष्टि करें ना. All guns blazing. The one who's engaged in kirtana, he never creates a fake, concocted holy name to be chanted instead of the Sri Harinam Mahamantra. With the desire to propagate a new teaching by rejecting the method that has come down from the spiritual master. Shri Gurudever Anugamane, Shri Namer Mahima Kirtanadi Prachar Mukhe Grantha Rachana, O Kirtan Korile, Vaishnaver Sunichatar Vyagat Hoina. Following the bona fide spiritual master, when one writes books and engages in glorification in order to propagate the glories of the holy name and so on, this does not disturb the sunichata, the great humility of the Vaishnava. Kapatatar uddeshe, lok pratarna janna, निजेर सरलतार अभाव वशतः कपट दैन्योक्ति वो व्यवहार सुनीचतार परिचायक न है. In order to deceive others, in order to cheat the world, because of lack of simplicity in one's character, duplicitous words of humility and behavior do not reveal this sunichata, this great humility that is expected of a Vaishnava. Mahabhagavad Gavan Krishna Namocharan Kale Sthavar Jangamer Prakrita Bhogya Murti Samoha Darshanet Parivarte Krishna Karshna Sevanon Mukha Hoya Jagat Darshan Kare. The Mahabhagavatas, when they utter Shri Krishna's holy name, instead of seeing the materialistic, the materially enjoyable forms of the moving and non-moving, instead of seeing that, they see this entire world while being filled with an eagerness to engage in service to Lord Krishna and Krishna's devotees. This is straight taken from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sthavara Jangama dekhe na dekhe tar murti sarvatra hoy nija ishtadevar spurti. Lord Chaitanya. भोग प्रवृत्ति क्रमे जगत के निज भोग्य मने करें ना. Because of his enjoyment, propensity for enjoyment, he does not consider the world to be for his enjoyment. Mantre srashta hoiya guru hoite labdha mahamantra kirtan chadenna. As the creator of a mantra, he does not give up. He does not become a creator of a mantra and give up the kirtana of the mahamantra that has been obtained from the bona fide spiritual master. And he does not become busy in propagating new teachings, new understandings. Very important point. When we talk about preaching, we are talking about preaching the same thing. You should be able to verifiably prove that everything that you are saying is fully in line with all the acharyas in the Siddha Parampara, in the Guru Parampara of perfected souls. আপনাকে কোন বৈষ্ণবের গুরু বলিয়া মনে করা সুনিচতার অন্তরায়. To consider oneself to be a guru of some Vaishnava is an obstacle towards attaining that great humility. Sat Katha, the plain fact, is as follows. Shri Gaur Sundare Shikshashtakayar Katha na suniya. Without hearing the topics of Shikshastakam of Shri Gaur Sundar, Artha Pratishtha Lobhe, Indriya Tarpana Uddeshe, Swiya Swarup Vismrita Hoile, when one forgets his own constitutional position with a greed for wealth and prestige in order to attain sense gratification. Vaishnava Gurupada Akankshir Mukhe Harinam Kirtita Hoite Parena. When that happens, the holy name cannot be recited by one who wants to attain the position of a Vaishnava or a Guru. Tadrishi Kirtane, Shraddha Jukta Shishyo Harinam Shravane Adhikar Labh Karenna. In such kirtan, a disciple who has faith, he also does not attain the eligibility. A faithful disciple also does not attain the eligibility if he engages in such kirtan and if he hears holy name. In other words, such a Vaishnava may have a disciple who is very faithfully serving him. He also does not attain the eligibility to engage in proper Shravanam Kirtanam of the holy name if he follows this kind of person. That is an English essay written by Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur in his Harmonist, in his journal Harmonist. I think it's called Lower Than a Blade of Grass or something like that. Somebody please remind me in the Telegram forum. I will trace it out and I'll upload it. It's good reading. All right.